Hey everyone, struggling with a non-functional Google TV remote and finding it frustrating? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to fix Google TV remote not working. Whether it's a synchronization issue, battery problem, or something else, this guide will walk you through possible solutions to get your remote back in action. Let's dive into the steps. We'll save your streaming experience. Step 1. Check and replace the batteries. First things first, let's address the most common issue, dead batteries. Begin by removing the battery cover on the back of your Google TV remote and take out the batteries. Check for any corrosion or debris in the battery compartment, as this can hinder proper contact. Replace the old batteries with new, high-quality ones, ensuring they're placed in the correct orientation. After replacing the batteries, try using the remote again. Step 2. Repair the remote. If changing the batteries didn't do the trick, the remote might have lost its connection to your Google TV device. Here's how to repair it. Turn on your Google TV and hold the home button on your remote for about 5 seconds until a light starts flashing. This puts the remote into pairing mode. Follow the on-screen instructions that will guide you through reconnecting the remote to your Google TV. Step 3. Check for physical obstruction. Sometimes physical obstructions can interfere with the remote signal. Ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the Google TV device. Avoid placing any objects in front of the device that might block the infrared signal. If your Google TV has a Bluetooth option for the remote, make sure there are no significant electronic interferences in the room. Step 4. Update your software. An outdated software version might cause connectivity issues with the remote. To rectify this, go to your Google TV settings and navigate to System Updates. Make sure your Google TV is connected to the internet and follow the prompts to check for and install any available updates. This should help resolve any software-related issues affecting the remote functionality. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If none of the above solutions have worked, it might be time for a factory reset of the Google TV. Be aware that this step will erase all customized settings, so proceed cautiously. Unplug your Google TV device and leave it unplugged for about 5 minutes. Plug it back in, and once restarted, go to Settings and select System. Then choose Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions and try reconnecting your remote once the reset is complete. And there you have it. We've covered various steps on how to fix Google TV remote not working. From checking batteries and cleaning the remote to repairing and updating the software, these methods should help rejuvenate your remote control and enhance your viewing experience. Remember, regular maintenance can go a long way in preventing remote issues, so keep your devices in check. Should the problem persist, consider reaching out to Google's customer support for further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming.